Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our first challenge of May, the Forgotten Townie Revamp. So for this challenge, I was to rebuild a neglected Townie's home, keeping their story in mind, as well as giving the Townie of choice a makeover. So if you tuned in earlier this month, you would have seen just kind of the late night building sessions that I had, doing the exterior of the house, but the house and all of the makeovers are finished. Now, for the sake of time constraint with, pardon me, for the sake of time constraint with the video itself, I did not include all of the Townie makeover in the video. You'll have to go to the Facebook page to view the albums if you want to see everything. But I did do before and afters in this video of the everyday outfit for the Townies. So the house I chose was the BFF House, so Garden Essence in Willow Creek. And so there are 3 makeovers as well. So for Travis, Liberty, and Summer, all 3 of them got a makeover, bit of an upgrade. I'm quite pleased with how this one turned out. So a little bit different video today is I'm going to stop talking and turn my face off, and I'm going to just let you guys enjoy the before and after walkthrough. I'm very pleased with how the video ended up turning out for the before and afters. I spent a lot of time really trying to get the editing down for how I wanted things to look. So without further ado, here you are. I'm still learning this StreamYard software a little bit. I feel like I'm improving, but not a lot. Anyway, so there you have it. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought, what you liked, what you didn't like. I'm trying to get this glare out of my glasses. There we go. What you liked, what you didn't like. If you like the makeovers, should I do more of these kind of before and after reno videos? Let me know what you think. I will see you all in another 2 weeks for our next challenge, which is a community lot with a secret, which I kind of already did with the Burudani Center, but the back room, the whole back room thing was kind of fun. So what it is saying here is a library, cafe, or park with a hidden room, basement, or lore twist. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to get up to with this one, but we will see. In the meantime, if you want to see screenshots or stills from the build itself or any of the makeovers in greater detail, I did do every outfit before and after for each of the 3 Sims. Do head over to the Facebook page. I will leave a link up here somewhere. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.